Hey everybody, it is Brett Glover here with Real Life Trading Military, and I'm bringing you, for the first time in a little while, a stock setup that I am looking at here into this week. And today we are looking at Bumble. Now, if you're not familiar with Bumble, it is a app, I believe, for dating and things like that. And sticking true to our 10 EMA strategy, there's a couple of things that I really like about this chart. Number one, if we look here, we had a nice downtrend kind of connecting this purple line here from this low to this low. And then using one of the indicators that I like, from that low here, we actually made a higher low on the indicator, which to me is some bullish divergence. In addition, we had a nice gap here, retest gap, which we have not fully retested yet. But we did gap up, held the 10 EMA here. And then just recently, we had a nice, almost shaved bottom Marbozu candle to push above the 50 EMA. And from there, we've really just been kind of consolidating within this range. And what I like about this chart, aside from that, is two things. Number one, it fits nicely with our 10 EMA strategy. And so I'm actually looking for a break above this candle here, this nice high wave candle. And I would be looking at a target probably to the 200 simple moving average, which aligns nicely with the beginning of our gap fill here that we have from 41.78-ish up to pretty close to 46. We have a nice gap there. So that does fit the 10 EMA strategy nicely. So you could have an entry here, a stop probably below this candle, depending on your risk tolerance. And then you have, like I said, a nice target up to here. In addition, if we flip over to the weekly chart, we actually closed last week over the weekly 10 EMA with a bearish candle. And right now, at least as it sits currently, we are printing an inside week. So this fits not only the daily 10 EMA strategy, but the weekly as well. And you can see that we have the just born 50 EMA making its downtrend here. So what I would anticipate is kind of a little bit of an S-curve. There's a one, and then kind of trade up to this beginning of the gap fill, possibly even filling that gap, and then we'll probably end up trading back down. But if anything, I think it fits nicely for this type of setup. Like I said, I do like the 10 EMA, I like the consolidation right here. And that's about all I got for you today. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to anybody in the room at Real Life Trading Military. And as always, have a wonderful trading week.